Hello students, today we start the second case. Before this we have to start the interest on drawing for product method. So after that we start the interest on drawing on monthly drawing. This is very important while we are solving the admission question. So interest on monthly drawing. When interest on monthly drawing are there, the first is beginning of every month. If amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month, then we use the formula interest is equal to total drawing into rate upon 100 into time. Time is to be 6.5 by 12. When how the time is calculated? So the time is equal to, this is beginning of the month. It means the total month is 12 months. And when the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of the month, 1 month is added and the total 13. This 13 is divided by 2. So the time is 6.5 months. This is the way how to calculate the amount of time when amount is withdrawn at the beginning of every month. So in this formula, if amount is withdrawn in the beginning of every month throughout the year, then time is to be put 6.5 by 12. How the time is calculated? 12 plus 1. This is 12, total 12 months, and the amount is withdrawn at the beginning of the month. 1 we added. So 13 by 2 is equal to 6.5. The putting the value of the time is 6.5 by 12. And the second method, when the amount is withdrawn at the end of every month. It means the amount is withdrawn at the end of the every month throughout the year. It means the total 12 months are there. So the formula is interest is equal to total drawing. Whatever the amount is withdrawn, that is regularly withdrawn for 12 months. So the total monthly drawing into 12. So the total drawing is this. The rate upon 100. The rate is given in the question. So there time we put is 5.5 by 12. So how the time is calculated? In this the amount is withdrawn at the last day of the every month. It means 12 minus 1. So 11 upon 2 is equal to 5.5 months. So the time is to be put 5.5 by 12. In this is beginning of the month, 6.5 by 12. And the third and the last, middle of every month. This formula is also be put up when amount of date of withdrawal is not given. This will also be called as when the amount is middle of the every month, when amount is withdrawn at the middle of every month throughout the year. So the formula is total drawing. Total drawing is whatever the amount is given of the monthly drawing, that can be multiplied by 12. So it is total amount and the rate upon 100 into 6 by 12. The total month time, how the time is calculated? There are total month. In every month it can be withdrawn in the middle of the month. So this can be divided by 2. So the 6 month is the average time. So we have to be put 6 by 12. This formula is also be used when date of withdrawal is not given. Thank you.